Hey people, so we are in a very crowded Lulu mall, and this is at this place called Bubble Bay, and this is for 230 bucks you get a choco frappe something.
Nutty Belgian chocolate.
Yes, crunchy hazelnut cold coffee regular bubble frappe 230. How does it taste, Ayush?
Yes, so good.
Sure. Yeah, this is like a chocolate ice cream, really. Yeah, it's a good choice, but it's pretty energizing. It's invigorating. This is a Thursday. We are here at the Lulu Mall, but it is so crowded. I dread to think how it would be on a weekend. And this is the same food court, but yeah, this looks good. Boba tea is something that is, we were to have a Kit Kat boba roll, but yeah, this is what my child is having, and we are so grateful to have got a place to sit, because as you can see, it is very crowded. Yeah, so yeah, for 231 bucks, frappe, choco frappe, that is a boba choco frappe, hazelnut cold coffee regular bubble frappe is worth it, really. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.